Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing something that I've wanted to talk about for a little while now. I posted some stuff on Instagram about my normal peak boost in this car, and I thought I'd bring it up to the YouTube channel and see what everyone had to say about it. So today we're going to be addressing is the normal peak boost for the 2015 to 2018 Subaru WRXs. Before we get started with this video, if you're interested in more Subaru WRX content or automotive content, please consider subscribing to my channel. So an interesting thing happened the other day. I just turned on my car, sorry for the noise. I posted on Instagram a picture of my peak boost. It's right behind the camera back there. I think you guys can, well, you guys can't see that, but you can see me pointing. So when I first bought the car, it had a peak boost of like 21 PSI. I bought it used, and I thought that was normal. Still think that's probably normal. I don't drive my car super hard, just going to get right to it. My peak boost generally is above 22 PSI. Right now I'm at 22.1 PSI. I think the highest I've seen is 22.9 PSI, which I think is pretty high. Sometimes, it's an interesting thing, right? Sometimes I'll see people who are talking about tunes and things like that, where they're tuned up until 19 PSI or something like that. And I was always like, what does that mean? Because I seem to be comfortably, I'll reset my thing weekly, and I comfortably peak at 22, a little bit over 22 PSI, and I'm not, again, like, that's like one pull. I'm not pushing the car over and over and over again. To kind of round up the story here, I posted on Instagram a picture of my stock peak boost to see what everyone else was getting, and I think it's interesting. Half of the people said, yeah, that's normal, and half the people were like, whoa, something's wrong with your car. I thought I'd post on the YouTube channel to kind of figure out, a lot of you guys that are following me have WRXs. I'm really interested, what do you guys get for peak boost? Drop that information in the comments. Just list what year and model and trim you have for your WRX. I guess it's a WRX, but like if you have a WRX versus an STI, and then what trim, that shouldn't make a difference, but it just gives us more information to go off of. And I can't find any compelling reasons for why, I could, there are definitely reasons where if my car was the only one getting that type of boost, there's definitely reasons for why that could be happening. And if only one car was getting like a normal like 15 to 18 PSI, there's definitely reasons where that could be. But like the community is split half and half. So it doesn't make sense that there should be like half and half, completely split, very few people in the middle. So with that knowledge, I first off, I can't figure out what's normal, right? That's really hard. That's something that you could go to a Subaru dealer and they really wouldn't know. And what's interesting is, like, it's something to contemplate, because why are people getting such different boost pressures, especially when our engines are designed the exact same way? It's not like we're getting two different engines. All the engines are built, designed in the same way. Sometimes you have manufacturing variability, where different things could be off. Tolerances get progressively larger as they go down the part line, but that shouldn't really affect this huge deviation in peak boosts. So I know that was a quick video. I'm just interested in hearing what everyone else is getting for peak boosts. Drop it in the comment section below, and let me know if you think 22.9, I think that was my highest. I don't think I've ever broken into 23. Let me know if you think that's crazy, and especially if you're tuned and you're tuned up to a larger PSI, drop in the comment section below what you're tuned to. I'd be really interested in hearing it, and I think everybody else watching would be interested as well. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Appreciate it. See ya.